Hello and welcome to another tutorial brought to you by iSense Labs in cooperation with OpenCart. Today we will show you how to manage the user permissions in your store. They're used to grant or deny access to certain admin pages for your OpenCart users and user groups. User permissions consist of two types: access permissions and modify permissions. Let's show you how they work. Go to your OpenCart admin and click on System, then select Users. Now click on User Groups. The two default user groups here are Administrator and Demonstration. The Administrator group is the one that your user account should be assigned to. Now let's click on Edit and see what's behind it. You see the user group name and the two separate sections with access and modify permissions. Each entry in those sections represents a route to a specific menu in your OpenCart admin panel. For example, the first entry is catalog/attribute. This means that this is the route to the attributes in your catalog section. Unselecting it and clicking Save will remove the access permissions for the administrator user group. Let's show you how things work. We will unselect the design/layout entry from the access permission and then click on Save. Okay, so we have opened the layouts in a separate tab over here, and now we are clicking Refresh. So the page now shows up the permission denied message. If you click the design dropdown, you will also notice that the layouts menu no longer shows up. This means that all the admin menus where you disable permissions will not be visible in your admin panel. Now let's go back to the user groups and give another example. For instance, we will enable the access permissions for the layout again, but disable their modify permissions from the section below. So we click on Save and go back to the layouts. They will be visible in the design section now. Enter any layout and try to make a change. What will follow is a red warning that you don't have sufficient permissions to modify the layouts. Okay, so this is how user permissions work in OpenCart 3. We love user permissions and use them on all of our modules demos. And by the way, you can disable or enable all of them at once for both sections, depending on the user group you're managing. User permissions are usually applied if you have more than one administrator in your store, but you don't want them to have access or modify permissions to every single menu in the backend. Okay, so hope this helps. Give us a like if the video was useful and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more OpenCart 3 tutorials. Thanks for watching.